So viral po ngayon sa social media mga sangkay ang sinasabing na deads na nga daw po ang Supreme Leader ng Iran at kinumpirma po ito mismo ni Donald Trump o ng US. Ang tanong dito mga sangkay, anong klasing weapon na naman, no? Na advance pagdating po sa teknolohiya ang ginamit ng bansang Amerika para mapatumba ng ganung kadali na lamang ang Supreme Leader ng Iran. Kasi nangyari na po ito sa presidente ng Venezuela. Yo guys, what's up? This is me. We are back. At ito nga po pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ang biglaan pong pagpanaw nitong Supreme Leader ng Iran. Mga sangkay na nakapagtataka na ganun-ganun na lamang po ginawa ng Amerika yon. Mga sangkay, naaalala ko, ginawa din po nila ito sa mataas na leader ng Venezuela. At may kakaiba pong kwento. Naku, mga sangkay, magugulat po kayo. Kasi ayon po sa lumalabas na mga impormasyon mula po sa mga sundalo ng Venezuela, hindi daw po sila makagalaw. May kakaiba pong weapon ang US na nung time na kinukubkob na po ang kanilang leader, hindi po sila makaporma. Hindi po sila makagalaw. Kahit po yung mga weapon nila, hindi po nila magamit na maayos. Nasabi nila, nakakatakot kalaban ng Amerika dahil may weapon sila na hindi daw po nila maipaliwanag kung ano yun. So pag-usapan po natin ito mga sangkay. Anyway, bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy sa mga hindi pa po dyan nakakapag-subscribe, makikita nyo po yung subscribe button sa baba ng video na to. I-click nyo lamang po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell, at i-click nyo po yung all. Sa mga nanonood po sa Facebook, i-follow nyo po yung ating Facebook page. Okay, diretso po tayo. Ito ang report ngayon, mga sangkay. Kalat na po ito. Iran's Supreme Leader, itong na si Ali Khamenei, ay wala na nga daw po, mga sangkay. Ayan. Yan po yung mga lumalabas na balita. Ito po. Kinumpirma po mismo daw po ni US President Donald Trump na na-deads na nga daw po ang Supreme Leader ng Iran. Ito mga sangkay. One of the most, tinawag pa po niya ditong evil. So, mga sangkay, una na rin daw pong itong binahagi ng isang opisyal ng Israel na na-recover na ang kanyang labi. Grabe, 86 years old na pala ito. Matapos po ang inilunsad na pag-atake ng Israel at Amerika. Now, mga sangkay, ito po ang mga pictures, mga sangkay. Photos released by White House how President Donald Trump along with other top American officials in a situation room. Ito. Habang ginagawa po yung pag-atake nila mga sangkay sa Iran. So yan po yung mga larawan mga sangkay. Ngayon, ito pa. Tingnan natin to. US and Israel, ito, gumamit daw po ng kamikaze drones at Tomahawk missiles ang Amerika.
The Nations has called for an emergency Security Council meeting. Iran authorities have urged residents to leave Tehran. The U.S. went behind military targets. Also, reports indicate that Israel targeted Iranian leaders. New details of U.S.-Israel attack have been reported. Tomahawk missiles were used in the first strike. Kamikaze drones were used in the attack.
So yan po yung mga ginamit nila.
Targets in Iran was struck. U.S. claims Iranian counterattack ineffective. Now, the U.S. military used some new capabilities in these strikes. For the first time, they used one-way attack drones in combat. Tomahawk missiles were also used reportedly in the first volley of strikes.
So yan po ang sinasabi nila mga sangkay ng US na ginamit daw po nila kamikaze drones at itong Tomahawk missiles. So, pero mga sangkay, ito ang nakakaano dyan, very interesting. Yan ba talaga? O mayroon pa po silang isa pang teknolohiya na ginagamit nila as weapon laban po sa kanilang mga kalaban? Kasi Biruin mo, wala pang isang araw mga sangkay. Wala pang isang araw. Deads na. Paano nangyari yun? Alam niyo nangyari na po yan mga sangkay dito sa, tingnan po ninyo, Venezuela. Ito po ang nangyari mga sangkay. Venezuelan security guard reveals chilling account of U.S. weaponry used in Maduro raid. O, tingnan po ninyo.
Well, on the day when Maduro was captured, it is said to
Yan po yung leader ng Venezuela na ikinagulat na lamang po niya. Ito punong-puno po yan ng mga bantay. Hindi po basta-basta mapapasok ang isang leader. Kagaya din po ito ng leader ng Iran. Pero, tingnan po ninyo.
be one of the most scariest nights that people of Venezuela have ever seen in their entire life. Now, one of the loyal guards of Maduro describes every single bone-chilling details about how the president was captured by the United States and some of the things that he talks about and the weapons that the United States actually used were completely out of this world, that nobody in the entire world has ever seen such kind of weapons. And in just a
Grabe, no?
minute, we'll actually take a look at the footage of how this incredibly out of this world weapons really work. And if that footage doesn't bring chills down your spine, I honestly don't know what will. Well, the Venezuela security guard reveals chilling account of U.S. weaponry used in Maduro raid. Now, this account from Venezuela's security guard loyal to Nicolas Maduro is absolutely chilling, and it explains a lot about why the tone across Latin America suddenly changed and why Trump basically wants to take over the world out of nowhere. Because now, after the capture of Maduro, he now even wants to go after Greenland. He's also
Mga sangkay, ganun po kadali lamang ginawa nila Donald Trump mga sangkay. Wala rin pong Wala rin pong isang araw mga sangkay. Wala rin pong isang araw na kubkub ng ganung kabilis yung presidente nitong Venezuela. Kaya nga po mga sangkay, marami po ang nagulat nun. Sabi po nila parang imposible yun. At marami po ang nagalit kasi bakit daw pinapakialaman ng Amerika ang ganung klaseng leader. Pero ang US, lagi pong may reason yan. Kagaya po ng Iran. Ang reason nila ay marami pong nangangailangan ng tulong ng mga Iranian na matagal na pong nananawagan dahil matagal na po silang pinapahirapan ng Iranian regime. So ito, mga sangkay, tingnan po natin kung paano po isinagawa yung pagkubkob ng leader ng Venezuela.
fighting against China and Russia and basically all over Europe. The things that he's been doing is just absolutely crazy, nothing less than any sort of Hollywood movie. Well, the security guard says that on the day of the operation, we didn't hear anything coming. We
Tingnan nyo mga sangkay, hindi daw po nila narinig na papunta yun.
were on the ground, but suddenly all of our radar systems completely shut down without any explanations. And the next
Grabe.
thing we saw were complete drones that were surrounding all over Maduro's house and
Grabe.
flying over to our positions, and we didn't really know how to react. So the interviewer basically goes on and asks,
So ganun po katindi yung weapon ng Amerika mga sangkay. Alam niyo, meron pa po silang B-2 Spirit Bomber. Yung Spirit Bomber nila, mga sangkay, para po siyang agila na lumilipad sa taas. Pero ang matindi nun, mga sangkay, hindi po yun nadedetect ng kahit na anong radar or anong pang-detect system. Mga sangkay, gulat na lang po yung isang bansa na lulusubin nun, may mga bumagsak na po na mga missile. Ganun po katindi ang mga weapon ngayon ng Amerika, mga sangkay. Kaya nga po sabi po dito ng isang sundalo ng Venezuela, mag-iingat ang kalaban ng Amerika. Lahat sila ay mag-ingat. Delikado daw po talaga
what
kalaban.
happened next? How was the main attack? To which the security guard says that after those drones appeared, some helicopters also arrived. But there were very few helicopters, not many. He also says that there were barely 8 helicopters, and from those helicopters came soldiers who dropped down, but a very small number, maybe like around 20 men at most. But those men
Grabe.
were technologically very advanced.
Tingnan nyo yan, mga sangkay. Ganyan po yung gamit ng Amerika ngayon.
They didn't look like anything that we have fought against before. to which the interviewer asked whether or not if the battle began, and the security guard says that yes, it was a massacre. We were hundreds of guards, but we had absolutely no chance at all. They were shooting with such precision and speed. It seemed like each soldier was firing around 300 rounds per minute, and we couldn't do anything at all. Now,
Grabe. So, ganyan kalupit, mga sangkay. So, kagaya po ngayon, magtataka tayo, ano kaya ang ginamit na naman pong weapon ng US?
the interviewer goes on and asks, so what about your weapons? Did you guys not have any weapons to
Paano yung weapons ng mga sundalo ng Venezuela? Nagamit ba nila?
fire back at them? To which the security guard says that their weapons was of no help at all. Because it wasn't just the weapons that the United States was using, because at one point, they actually launched this very secretive weapon which they had apparently, and I don't know how to describe it. It was like a very intense sound wave which suddenly felt like my head was gonna explode from inside.
Grabe, ganyan po mga sangkay. Para po siyang may something na binitawan sila sa isang lugar na lahat sila hindi na po makagalaw. Na kahit yung weapon nila, hindi na po nila magamit.
Now we all started bleeding from our nose.
Kita niyo mga sangkay?
Some were even vomiting blood. We fell to the ground, and all the guards were unable to move. Now, that is just bone wrecking, man. I don't know what kind of technology that the United States is using, but it could basically cause your brain to go nuts, and you would basically feel like your brain is going to explode inside your head, and you're also going to be bleeding from nose and, you know, vomiting blood, and that's just nasty. I don't know what kind of weapon that is. It's probably have to do with some sort of radiation poisoning and all that stuff. I don't know, whatever that is. So the interviewer goes on and asks, and your comrades, did they manage to resist this? And the security guard says that not at all.
Oh. Hindi po sila nakapalag mga sangkay sa nangyari. So, hindi nila alam kung ano pong weapon ang ginamit ng US. Yun po yung paliwanag mga sangkay ng nitong mga security doon po sa Venezuela. So, yan po ay palaisipan ngayon kasi wala na po yung ayon po dito sa report, malamang kumpirmado na po ito eh. Ayan po, wala na daw po mga sangkay itong leader ng Iran. So, ano na naman po kaya ang ginamit nilang technology para po mabilis? Ang bilis po eh. Ang bilis ng pagkakakubgob at pagpapatumba. Ganun lang kadali, mga sangkay. Para po sa Amerika na gawin ito. Kaya ito yung babala ng mga naka-experience. I don't know, mga sangkay. But maybe may mga lalabas na information din yan kung anong ginamit na technology ng Amerika. Pero ayun na nga po mga sangkay, may mga sikretong weapon ng US government na hindi po alam ng mundo. Alright? So, kayo mga sangkay, ano sa tingin nyo? May mga nakikita ba kayo? May mga alam ba kayo na siyang ginagamit ng US government na mga secret weapon? Yung iba nga, mga sangkay, tinatawag pa po nila itong alien weapons na ginagamit daw po nila. So, well, ano po ang inyong opinion? Comment down below. Meron tayong YouTube channel. Ito po ay Sangkay Revelation. Hanapin nyo po ito ngayon sa YouTube. Kapag nakita nyo na, i-click nyo po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell, at i-click nyo po yung all. Ako na po ay magpapaalam. Mag-ingat pong lahat. God bless everyone.